Today is 11th November 2020. My FIR is not being registered after so many requests. There is some conspiracy going against me. And the police is definitely not registering my FIR, and they are trying to anyhow implicate me in false charges. And when I'm complaining, they are trying to say that on raging corruption issues as a whistleblower, I have a paranoid tendency of making complaints, which is extremely shameful, which is just pathetic. Narendra Modi is murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption. And the Maurice Nagar is trying to forge my signatures on this register that they have made my false signatures over this register in respect of my complaint. I have already taken a printout copy of that. And Maurice Nagar is also trying to take my voice under compelling circumstance. I'll try to figure it out, but I'll make my best efforts to ensure that the guilty may be punished as per law. Thank you. It's an organized state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi, his police, and intelligence agencies to anyhow implicate me in false charges. Today, the time right now is 9:30. I have arrived here at 9:23. There were certain persons which were plotted with certain malified conspiracies against me. See, again, certain persons are being plotted over here. Narendra Modi is a criminal. Narendra Modi is a thief. And I reside here at Maurice Nagar, in front of Maurice Nagar police station, for 14 long years. See the person plotted over here. Every day these persons are being plotted over there without masks. And the government of India led by Narendra Modi is murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption. क्या हुआ जी? I arrived here at 9:23 p.m. and I spent around 5 to 7 minutes in the police station for just knowing the status of my complaints. They are not registering my complaints and they are trying to threaten me with malified intentions. I reside here at this address, 83132, room number 15, Christian Colony, Patel Chest. See the persons which are being plotted over there at certain places. There are persons which are being plotted over here with malified intentions. I have complained against these slum dwellers thousands of times. It's an organized state-sponsored terrorism led by Narendra Modi to plot certain poor slum dwellers who have been purchased by Narendra Modi for money. See the person who has come over here deliberately at this point of time, and the other person is going outside. The time right now, just when I arrive, one person, Mrityunjay Kumar, comes and the other person is going. These persons are involved in the conspiracy to kill me, and they are trying to record my voice under compelling circumstance. Exactly at the time when I arrive, they arrive or they go away from my residence. It's an organized state. See the person who is going over there. See, he's the neighbor next door and he's going. Today is 11th November 2020. It's an organized state-sponsored terrorism and the poor slum dweller who resides just at the corner. I have already complained against that person, his father, against their father and their children. They are deliberately trying to anyhow implicate me in false charges. It's a matter of national shame Today is 11th November 2020, and this person exactly arrives at the time when I reach my residence, 83132, room number 15, first floor, Christian Colony. See this person exactly, and see the other person in room number 14, in room number 16, exactly departing at the time when I reach my residence. It is a matter of national shame that Narendra Modi is killing me slowly and secretly for raising corruption issues as a whistleblower. And I'm a gazetted officer in Government of India. For raising corruption issues as a whistleblower, the Government of India is killing me slowly and secretly. Today is 11 November 2020. Time right now is 9:36 p.m. And they are trying to record my voice, video under compelling circumstances. It is a matter of national shame.